Hey guys, Raphael here again with Nova Cleaners. Today I'm going to show you guys how to effectively mop a hallway. Alright, first and foremost, make sure you don't put too much cleaning solution in the water, otherwise the floors will look streaky and you don't want that. Then make sure the water is hot because it evaporates faster, therefore the floor is more likely to look streak free. When you're mopping, always start with the edges first, as you see here, then work inward. And make sure you apply a fair amount of pressure when you're mopping, because you don't just want to glide over the floor. You want to make sure you really push so you lift all the dirt and grime. That is a very important piece. And again here, making sure you get all the edges first, because if you get the edges first, it will actually speed up your mopping, because as you see here, as I'm going around, once you finished the edges, then you can slide right in here in the middle, just like that, and mop your way down. And that will speed up the process quite a bit. All right, folks, there are the pointers as far as mopping goes. Now remember, common knowledge is not always common practice, and that is why we offer these tips.